Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about a very hot topic and it's the second video in our threads special. It is the Foxy eyebrow lift. So what is the Foxy eyebrow lift, Sarah?
Basically, it's just lifting your eyebrow up like that.
Simples.
But it's everywhere now, isn't it? I mean, all over social media, like patients are asking for it, and it is a really desirable look.
It is so popular on Instagram right now. It's a very Instagrammable topic for aesthetic medicine. So I think people try and achieve it in different ways. People talk about doing it with Botox or threads. What we're going to focus on today is threads, of course. Celebrities like Bella Hadid seem to be the poster girl of the Foxy eyebrow lift. I personally think she's probably had it done surgically, but that's for another time. But people are trying to recreate that kind of slightly more diagonal eyebrow look with threads. So Kish, how do we do it?
It's carried out with the same type of threads that we mentioned in the last video, the combination of polylactic acid and polycaprolactone. It's delivered into a cannula, and the threads themselves are quite short and they're just placed above the brow, and they go upwards to engage with the skin above the brow and then lift the brow long term.
So where do you put the threads to get the Bella Hadid look?
Well, I think it depends what kind of look you're going to go for. I think if you want to get that Bella Hadid look, you're going to be going quite a lot more lateral to lift it at the tail of the eyebrow. But you can lift it anywhere.
Another look that people seem to be into is this more cat eye look. So you can put threads at the lateral canthus of the eye and slightly pull them out, which narrows the lateral canthus, which seems to be what some people want. It's not something I personally have done at the moment, but you never know.
Actually, I'm thinking about getting the clown eye, which is where you place it here and you get like a big McDonald's arch like that. Yeah.
But in seriousness though, if you do have heavy brows on the lateral section and you want a more sophisticated look, then really, it's a good option to lift them up. Now, we overcorrect when we first do them. So we put the threads in, we lift them up, and you look insane. Because they're up really, really high, but that's normal. We're expecting them to drop. So a lot of these pictures you see on Instagram where the people have completely diagonal brows, it's for a shock factor. It's not going to stay like that. What you're really going to achieve with this procedure is about 2 to 3 millimeters of lift, which can be pretty good in certain cases. Something we also recommend for people having a Foxy eyebrow lift is to have their Botox done in advance of the treatment. Wait 2 weeks for it to fully kick in. It's going to make your treatment better because when you place the threads, if your forehead muscles are still very active, you're moving your skin around a lot and you'll probably dislodge some of the lift from the threads. So in my opinion, I think the opinion of the guys here as well, it's probably best to have your Botox done before.
Okay, let's have a look at somebody having the procedure done. As you can see, it looks a little bit wild afterwards, but that's perfectly normal. That will subside in just a few days. What's not great though is that you have to wear these rather attractive tapes on your brow for 3 days afterwards, and this is because of the swelling. So if you get a lot of swelling in that tissue, that's going to dislodge the thread, and it means that your result is not going to be as good. So you have to wear the tapes.
So guys, like we said before, the threads are going to stay in the tissues for about 15 months. You're not going to look crazy like on day one, they will drop. And over those 15 months, while the thread is slowly being broken down by your body, you're going to produce more and more collagen, which is going to hopefully help maintain that lift for you. Okay guys, if you have any questions about the Foxy eyebrow lift, please leave them in the section below. Remember to like and subscribe. We have a new video coming out next week and we'll see you then. Take care.
Bye.